Y a él le gustan los elevadores viejos. Pues quiere grabar tu elevador porque es manual.
Ok.
Dice que si tú lo puedes ver.
No hay problema.
Dice, hay que enseñar, pero nosotros no.
If you're not busy, would it be okay if I do 2 round trips?
Okay. We make it fast.
That's fine.
Because we're really busy here, especially in this time, but we make it.
I appreciate it.
One more
There's the
time.
indicator.
Okay.
Gracias, y chequea que se vaya.
Sí, sí, sí. Al carajo.
It's got an indicator as well, which we'll view that on the way up.
That's right. That's what we do it.
I'm sorry I had to ask you that.
That's okay. Okay. One more time. That's it.
That's fine.
That's fine?
Yep.
Oh.
The indicator does work. I just didn't capture that on camera, but there's your indicator. What is it? Oh,
The indicator right here.
yep. Yep, I see that. It does light up, but it does light up, but unfortunately I didn't capture it on camera.
Right.
But anyways, I just want to get a cab view, and then that's going to be all. This is a Gurney elevator.
Yeah.
Now this is where I show the elevator cab.
Yeah.
I love that ceiling right there. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, sir. And with that being said, that is going to be it.